For decades, speakers followed one rule: a black box, a rectangular cabinet, a grill on the front. You put it in the corner, connected some wires, and pretended it wasn't there. But then, something changed. Engineers started asking a dangerous question. What if a speaker didn't have to look like a speaker? What if it looked like a jellyfish, a piece of furniture, a sculpture floating in midair, or something that escaped from an alien spaceship? And here's the strange part. Some of these speakers don't just look crazy, they sound ridiculously good. Today, we're counting down 7 modern speakers that completely ignored the traditional rulebook and somehow turned their bizarre designs into serious audio engineering. Some cost less than a dinner, others cost more than a luxury car. And number 1 looks like it was designed by aliens. Let's get weird. Number 7. IKEA Kallsup. Let's start with the speaker that looks like someone turned a Lego brick into a Bluetooth speaker. This is IKEA's Kallsup. It's a tiny cube measuring roughly 7 centimeters across, available in playful colors that make it look more like a children's toy than an audio product. And that's exactly what makes it interesting. The Kallsup is designed to be ridiculously simple and affordable. It's a small, portable speaker with a full-range driver, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and roughly 9 hours of battery life at moderate volume. But here's the weird part. You can connect up to 100 of these little speakers together. Imagine walking into a room and seeing an entire army of tiny colored cubes playing the same music. One Kallsup isn't going to replace a serious hi-fi system, but that's not the point. For its size and price, it delivers a surprisingly usable sound. And it proves something important. A speaker doesn't have to look serious to be clever. Sometimes the smartest design is the one that makes you smile. But things are about to get much stranger. Number 6. Harman Kardon SoundSticks 5 Wi-Fi. Remember when transparent electronics looked like the future? Back in the early 2000s, Harman Kardon SoundSticks looked like something Apple might have designed for an alien aquarium. And somehow, they still look futuristic. The latest SoundSticks 5 keeps that unmistakable, transparent, jellyfish-like appearance while adding modern wireless connectivity. Wi-Fi, AirPlay, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and Rune support. But the real surprise is what happens when you turn them on. The system produces 190 watts of total power, combining its satellite speakers with a down-firing subwoofer hidden inside that transparent centerpiece. The satellites handle the detail and vocals, while the subwoofer delivers the low-end punch. And visually, it looks almost impossible. You aren't looking at a traditional speaker cabinet. You're looking at something that belongs on a futuristic desk in a science fiction movie. Yet the design isn't just decoration. The system separates the drivers and subwoofer so each part can concentrate on its job. It's a perfect example of something that looks completely impractical until you hear it. Number 5. Samsung Music Studio 5. This next speaker looks like it escaped from 1962. And that's actually the point. Samsung's Music Studio 5 combines retro minimalist design with technology that would have looked like science fiction decades ago. The design comes from French designer Erwan Bourulec and features smooth geometry with a distinctive circular element that immediately brings classic Braun-era industrial design to mind. But behind that vintage appearance is a very modern audio system. It supports high-resolution audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz. It also features AI dynamic bass control, which uses machine learning to help manage distortion when the woofer is pushed hard. Then there's SpaceFit Sound Pro. Instead of simply assuming every room sounds the same, The system analyzes the acoustic environment and adjusts the sound accordingly. And that's what makes this speaker fascinating. It looks old. It behaves like the future. It's proof that retro design and modern technology don't have to compete. Sometimes, they make the perfect combination. Number 4. EverSolo SE100. Now here's one of the cleverest ideas on this entire list. The EverSolo SE100 looks like an ordinary square bookshelf speaker, until you realize exactly why it's square. It's designed around a 1-to-1 cabinet proportion so it can fit naturally inside IKEA Kallsup style shelving. In other words, someone actually designed a speaker around the furniture people already own. But this isn't just a furniture accessory. Inside is a serious two-way design with a 25mm silk dome tweeter and a 5.25-inch paper pulp mid-bass driver. The cabinet is engineered to control unwanted resonance, while the compact shape makes placement much easier than with many conventional speakers. And that's the genius of it. Traditional speakers often force you to arrange your room around them. The SE100 tries to do the opposite. It adapts itself to the room you already have. At around the $400 range, it's not exactly a cheap Bluetooth speaker, but it demonstrates something audiophiles sometimes forget. Good engineering isn't always about making something bigger. Sometimes it's about making something fit. And number 3 takes that idea to an entirely different level. Number 3. Econik 1851. This might be the strangest speaker here. The Econik 1851 doesn't look manufactured, it looks sculpted. Its enclosure is produced using quartz sand and 3D printing techniques, then combined with resin to create an extremely rigid structure designed to control unwanted resonance. But that's only half the story. The speaker appears to float. It's suspended from steel cables connected to a dedicated stand, physically separating the enclosure from the surface underneath. Why? Because unwanted vibrations can travel through floors, furniture, and speaker cabinets. Econik's solution is basically, don't let the speaker touch the problem. Inside, ceramic drivers are individually measured and controlled through integrated DSP. And instead of relying on one amplifier to power everything, each driver gets its own dedicated amplification. The system can deliver a frequency range extending from roughly 34 Hz to 40 kHz. It's also wireless through WiSA technology, leaving each speaker with essentially one essential cable, power. And then comes the part that makes your wallet nervous. The system costs around 16,800 euros per pair. At that price, you're not just buying sound, you're buying an engineering sculpture. And apparently, several design award juries agreed. Number 2. Yamaha Design Lab concepts. Now forget everything you think a speaker should look like, because Yamaha's Design Lab did. Instead of asking, how do we make another speaker cabinet? They asked, what happens if we completely rethink how sound should move through a room? Take the sail concept. Its diaphragm is suspended like a ship's sail, and its physical form can be adjusted to influence how sound is projected. Then there's the butterfly concept. Its drivers are positioned back to back with a reflective structure between them, allowing sound to spread more freely through the room. No rigid listening position, no tiny sweet spot where you have to sit perfectly still. Then comes the horn concept. Inspired by wind instruments, it uses an open horn-like structure to create a more direct and natural acoustic presentation. And finally, the crystal concept. It looks less like a speaker and more like a strange bird sitting on a stone. But every bizarre shape has a purpose. Dispersion, reflection control, resonance management, soundstage. These aren't merely speakers designed to look weird. They're experiments in what a speaker could become. And although these concepts aren't ordinary products you can simply walk into a store and buy, they reveal something fascinating. The future of speakers may not look anything like their past, but number one isn't a concept. It's real. And it looks absolutely alien. Number 1. Vivid Audio Giya Ku. If an alien civilization had an audiophile community, I have a feeling this is what their speakers would look like. The Vivid Audio Giya series has some of the most recognizable speaker designs ever created. Tall, curved, organic, almost biological. The cabinet doesn't look like a traditional box because acoustically, it doesn't need to behave like one. Its tapered, curved enclosure is designed to control internal reflections and standing waves. And that strange shape isn't just cosmetic, it's engineering turned into sculpture. The Giya G1 Spirit Ku is a massive 4-way 5-driver system with a sensitivity of around 92 decibels and a frequency response extending from approximately 29 Hz to 33 kHz. It uses Vivid Audio's tapered tube loading technology to control unwanted resonance. And copper components are used to help optimize driver behavior and dispersion. The result is a speaker designed to deliver enormous scale without sacrificing clarity. And then you see the size. The G1 Spirit Ku stands around 1.6 meters tall and weighs more than 67 kilograms. This isn't a speaker you casually place beside your television. It's a statement. And the price makes that statement even louder. The Giya range can climb into the tens of thousands of dollars, with models such as the G1 Spirit Ku reaching luxury audio territory. At this point, you might be wondering, why make a speaker this strange? Because sometimes the traditional box itself becomes the limitation. The curves, the tapered enclosure, the unusual proportions, the exotic materials, all of them exist because the engineers are trying to control something you can't see, air. And when they get it right, the speaker almost disappears. You stop hearing a box, you hear a soundstage. Vocals appear in front of you. Instruments seem to occupy physical space, and the walls of the room can suddenly feel farther away than they really are. That's the ultimate irony. The weirder the speaker looks, the less you may notice it when the music starts. So there you have it, 7 modern speakers that completely ignored the traditional black box formula. A tiny cube that can cost around $10. Transparent speakers that look like futuristic jellyfish. A retro-inspired Samsung that combines vintage design with artificial intelligence. A bookshelf speaker designed around IKEA furniture. A sand-printed speaker that appears to float. Yamaha concepts that challenge the very idea of what a speaker should be. And finally, a giant, alien-looking masterpiece that can cost more than a luxury car. But there's a bigger lesson here. The best speaker designers aren't necessarily trying to make speakers look weird. They're trying to solve problems. Resonance, dispersion, reflection, placement, distortion, room interaction. And sometimes, the best solution simply happens to look strange. So now I'm curious, which one would you actually put in your home? The $10 cube? The futuristic SoundSticks? The floating Econik? Or would you go completely insane and choose the Vivid Audio? And here's the real question. Do you still prefer the classic black speaker box? Or is it finally time for speakers to look as futuristic as they sound? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the stranger side of audio engineering, hit like and subscribe to RetroTech Legend for more stories about the machines, designs, and ideas that change the way we experience technology. Until next time, keep listening, keep questioning, keep the legends alive.